issued and design reviews completed for this two section. So this is the scope in brief. So if I summarize, PNID is issued, correct me MJ or Indu if I am wrong, only 1, 2 and 3. And apart from these, others are only control related activities and telecom related activities, which has no impact on the PNID.
Yeah, sure, Sudeep.
Yeah. One thing is left. This dead leg one. MJ or this can explain.
Yeah.
Okay, well,
So I think
Yeah.
yes, please
so-
carry on.
Yes, for the like, I believe I asked Santosh, you have two options over there, and it most probably is most related to the piping rather than the process. So it's better to you explain it.
Yes. Okay, can I share my screen?
Yeah, sure, Santosh.
Okay, let me share my screen. Please let me know if you can see my screen.
Yes, Santosh, it is coming up.
Is it visible now?
Yeah.
So basically, there are two types where we are trying to avoid the dead legs, or we are avoiding the dead legs by modification in the piping. So first type is changing. If you can see this type here, the existing walls are away from the header. So we are shifting first isolation wall close to the header by and shifting the spectacle also, so that we are avoiding here dead legs in this type, and changes will be similar in the PND. Then in type 2, where we cannot shift the first isolation wall close to the header because of elevations and existing facilities, where we cannot access the walls and spectacles. So there we are changing the material of the pipe up to the first isolation wall to CRA material.
Good, very good.
Okay.
So that
And
means
here,
that means you are
yeah.
removing the hazard itself. Very good.
Yeah. So here, this is the type 1 markup where we are changing wall close to the header using the existing wall and spectacle. And second one, we are changing the piping material